Thunderspun, heritage-forged charisma radiates from the Scania T 143, a long-nose legend that blended Scandinavian engineering finesse with old-school muscle. Born from Scania's 3 Series program, it arrived in the late 1980s as the counterpart to the Cabover 143, delivering the same robust backbone with a conventional silhouette prized in wide-open markets. From launch, durability and serviceability were emphasized, with easy engine access, stout ladder frames, and aerodynamic tweaks aimed at taming fuel bills without muting V8 character. Evolution unfolded fast. In 1991, the Streamline update improved airflow, cooling, and sealing, trimming consumption and noise while elevating long-mile comfort. Mid-1990s revisions added upgraded electrics, improved corrosion protection, refreshed trim, safer lighting, and incremental chassis refinements, keeping the T1 competitive until the 4 Series transition near decade's end. Popular specifications included high-roof sleepers, long-range tanks, heavy-duty suspensions for punishing routes, and axle spreads tailored to regional weight laws. Under the commanding hood's 14-liter V8 delivered a spectrum of outputs 380, 420, 450, and up to roughly 470 horsepower. Married to stalwart manual or automated gearboxes, abundant lower PM torque made beat heavy timber and road train tasks feasible, while tall highway ratios enabled relaxed, economical cruising across continents. Durable cooling packs, sensible service points, and reliable braking hardware supported high uptime, building a reputation for earning power and driver loyalty in equally strong measure. Measured against period titans, Volvo F16 and FH, Mercedes-Benz SK Evic, and American stalwarts like Kenworth and Mack, the T 143 balanced charisma with real-world efficiency. The streamlined cab reduced wind roar. The V8 soundtrack added theater without sabotaging payload discipline. Steering feel, visibility over the bonnet, and tidy packaging made long days manageable, while classic Scania ergonomics reduced fatigue. Today, the T143 enjoys cult status. Values hinge on spec and provenance. Honest working examples often land in the mid-5 figures. Well-restored rigs typically range much higher, and can command premium 6-figure attention in markets where V8 heritage runs deep. Compared with modern flagships, Scania AG Secchi Zero Volvo FH16, Mercedes Actros 1863, the old Warrior yields tech and emissions, wizardry yet counters with analog charm, mechanical clarity, and unmistakable presence. What endures is the sensation of certainty, a bonnet stretching to the horizon, a torque wave that gathers the combination with authority, and a cab that marries simplicity to true long-haul ergonomics.